Yeah. Oh, wow. Overfeeding your fish do not only waste your fish, but it has more disastrous effects than just feed wastage. And that's what we are going to look at in this video. When you are feeding your fish, you need to observe and see how they respond to the feed. And that's what we call the responsive feeding method. And when you observe that the fish are not responding, then you stop giving them the feed. When we talk about overfeeding, that's giving the fish the feed more than necessary. And overfeeding might come in different forms. What you normally feed your fish, that quantity might be overfeeding on another day, because if the fish are not responding in a particular day and you give them more, you have overfed them. This, like I said, has tremendous dangerous effects on your farm. Now, apart from the wastage of the feed, the leftover feed also increases ammonia in your fish pond. And when the ammonia level in your pond is high, it depletes or it decreases the oxygen level in the pond. And when your oxygen level in the pond is low, the fish is stressed, gasping for oxygen, and this may lead to diseases and mortality. Apart from the introduction of the ammonia, the leftover feed also adds waste in the pond, and within few days your fish water is dirty and smelly, and you have to change the water, otherwise you will lose your fish. Overfeeder adds more waste in the fish pond, therefore making your water to be dirty easily. Overfeeding also adds nutrient to algae to grow, and when the algae is more on your fish pond, it also competes for oxygen and therefore decreasing the oxygen level in the pond. Algae bloom is not dangerous for your farm, but when it is more than necessary, then it's dangerous. So the leftover feed serves as fertilizer to make the algae bloom grow more than it is necessary. I want to make this video as short as possible and have a detailed discussion on how to feed your fish. I'm leaving that link in the description for you to watch. Please, if you found value in the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and leave a comment. My name is Abdulaziz Issa, and this is Falco Aquaponics.